There's a pretty exciting new browser API in Google Chrome that I would love to show you today. So a couple of months ago, I released md.edit. md.edit is a Markdown editor PWA. That means it uses the File System Access API to read content from a Markdown file, to then also save content back to the Markdown file. Let's have a look. We do have md.edit. We do have hello.md, which is a Markdown file that just says hello. We can open the same file in md.edit. Let's try that. There we go. And we can add a new line. Let's say hello from md.edit. Let's save that. And the next time we open hello.md, we can see that it actually did change the content of the file that is saved on my disk. That is pretty cool. But now when I add a new line, let's say hello from text edit, I can save that. You can see that we don't have those changes in md.edit. So the file changed on the system, but we don't see the change in md.edit. That also means that when we make another change, let's remove that line again, we can save it. Now we lost all the changes because md.edit will just overwrite the whole content of the file, and we can see that we now only have hello. The solution to that is a new API called the File System Observer API. With the File System Observer API, we can create a new observer with a callback function. And with the observer, we can then observe a file handle or also a directory handle. That means that now whenever there are changes on the file on our system, this callback function will run, and in this case, it will just log the records that were changed on the system. So let's head over to md.nico.dev, which is the latest version of md.edit. We can now open hello.md. There we go. We now have it open in TextEdit and in md.edit. We can then add a new line. Let's say hello from TextEdit. We can save it. And now you can see that the change immediately happened also in md.edit. The way it works is that I am using the File System Observer API, and whenever there is a change on the current file, I will just reload the whole file from disk. So I do have the change here as well. Now, right now the API is in let's say an early beta phase. So it is available in the normal Chrome. You don't have to download Chrome Canary. It is behind a flag, so if you go into Chrome flags, you can search for the File System Observer API. You can then enable that. But it is also available in origin trials. That means from Chrome 129 to Chrome 134, you are able to use the API with an origin trial token. So I did register md.edit as an origin trial for the File System Observer API. That also means that with the token that I received, you are now able to use the File System Observer API in on md.nico.dev without enabling any flags or downloading Chrome Canary. So feel free to try it out on md.nico.dev. Also try it out in your application behind the flag or with an origin trial. I do think that the people at Chrome are very happy to receive feedback about the File System Observer API, but also about all the file system APIs that they are working on right now. I'm super excited to see what you all are building, what people are building out there with those APIs in the browsers. And yeah, until then, thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye.